today's video, I'll show you how to zoom in on a Tableau dashboard quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Tableau or want to enhance your data navigation skills, learning how to zoom helps you focus on details while maintaining a clear view of the big picture. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials every week. Once you have opened your Tableau dashboard or worksheet, right-click anywhere inside the view. From the menu that appears, select Show View Toolbar. This toolbar gives you essential tools for navigation, including the zoom option. If it's not visible by default, this step ensures it appears on your screen. Now on the View toolbar, locate the Zoom Area tool. Click on it to activate the zoom mode. Once it's active, simply click and drag across the specific area you want to zoom into. Tableau will instantly magnify that section, allowing you to focus on finer details within your visualization. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can do that too. On Windows, hold down Ctrl plus Shift, and on Mac, use Command plus Shift. This activates the zoom tool instantly without having to access the toolbar manually. And that's it. You've now learned how to zoom in on a Tableau dashboard. A simple yet powerful feature to explore your data more efficiently and clearly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what Tableau topic you'd like to see next.